Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Omar Shakori, accident and emergency surgeon, and today you will learn about emergency chest X-ray interpretation in a simple way. The benefit of this course will be you will learn the basic reading of chest X-ray in the emergency department for trauma patient and non-trauma patient. Also, you will learn how to analyze each topic for this chest X-ray for this patient. Also, I will give you some emergency chest X-ray tricks that help you to decide what's the condition of your patient. And we have a chapter for classes to be discussed or chest X-ray you can put and we can discuss it together. And lastly, you will have a certificate of completion of this course. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the course in a few minutes.